Hello my gorgeous friends, I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and today I'm reviewing an amazing dress. Thank you so much to the generous friend and supporter Peter who sent me the funds to get this amazing one-of-a-kind dress. This dress is from Babyboo.com. I've heard a lot about it, but this is the first item that I've purchased from them. It's quite expensive, but I could see why because it really is good quality. This dress is pretty heavy. It is like lined, but this is lined with mesh. This one comes in a couple different colors, I believe silver and gold. I got the gold. I really am happy with it. I got it in a size extra small. I probably could have fit into a small too, I'm thinking. I cannot wait to wear this for probably New Year's Eve. Like I want to do something for New Year's now that I have this amazing outfit to do it in, you know? I've always wanted one of these dresses with the beautiful sequins all over it. I just think these are so stunning, but you have to get the right one. You know, sometimes it's just glitter and rhinestones, but this one is really, really good quality. I really like it. Another thing that I like about it is that there are three like levels of, basically you could tighten the halter here. You could tighten the strap here, which I appreciate because I always need that to be like a little shorter rather than longer. So I've got it on the tightest it could be up here. It fits my waist perfectly. And the length is pretty good too. I've paired it with Wolf or Neon 40 nylons. Let me put my heels back on. Wow, I think this dress is just absolutely stunning. I'm gonna link it below in case you'd like to shop this dress or Babyboo. They have a lot of other dresses like this. They have some like maxi dresses too, all the way to the ground if you prefer that, like gowns, but I wanted something shorter. I'm really, really happy with this dress. I think the quality is worth it. Like to get something like this that fits perfect and is of great quality and has like the kind of sparkle and shine that this one does, yeah, you're gonna have to pay a premium for that. I can't wait to wear it out for New Year's. I have to go somewhere because I just love this so much. Oh, forgot to mention also, yeah, like it is stretchy and it has a zipper all the way on the sides. Gonna give you like a close-up of the dress. I got it, like I said, in gold, and it kind of has like a fishnet style to it with all the rhinestones connected to the fishnet part. You could see here where it's like kind of empty, but it still gives that fishnet look, which kind of looks cool, you know? Anyway, check out Babyboo if you want. I'm definitely gonna check out more things from them. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.